This is a DETA or DETA or DETA, however you want to pronounce it, ionization smoke detector that I got from a seller in England. It has an ionization sensor and a piezo horn, and it runs on 240 volts, which is too high for the United States, but I can run it on a standard 9-volt battery, which you will see in a second. I don't know how well you can see this, but excuse my crappy camera work, but the model number is 5230. I think that's right, yeah. 5230 SCA, and it was manufactured July 7th, 2009. And when it's going off, it produces a pulsating alarm pattern, which sounds very similar to the 4-6 alarm pattern that a lot of fire alarm enthusiasts like to call it. I personally prefer to say pulsating, because that's what most smoke alarm manuals in the past have said, especially First Alert. And in a second I will do a test. Now, when it's going off, this is what it sounds like. There. Pretty loud. Probably 85 decibels. But that's about it for this alarm.